Alright folks, let's get straight to it. Today I'm sharing a game-changer healthy biscuits without flour or sugar. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine biting into a warm, chewy biscuit that's good for you. Let's dive in. First up, ingredients. We're going to keep it simple. You'll need 2 cups of almond flour. This is our flour substitute. It's high in protein and gluten-free. Next, grab a 1/4 cup of coconut oil to give our biscuits that perfect texture. For sweetness, we're using 2 tablespoons of honey. If you're vegan, maple syrup works great too. Don't forget a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda for that lovely rise. And finally, 1 large egg to bind it all together. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, mix your almond flour, baking soda and salt in a large bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the coconut oil, honey and egg until it's nice and smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix until you have a dough. If the dough feels too sticky, just add a bit more almond flour. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Scoop out spoonfuls of dough and place them on the sheet, flattening each one slightly. You should get about 12 biscuits from this. Pop them in the oven and bake for 10-12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. While those are baking, let's talk about why these biscuits are a win. Almond flour is packed with nutrients. It's low in carbs, high in healthy fats, and full of vitamin E, which is great for your skin. Coconut oil is another powerhouse, boosting your energy and metabolism, and honey, well, it's a natural sweetener with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Alright, time's up. Take your biscuits out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. The smell is irresistible, right? These biscuits are perfect for breakfast with a bit of nut butter, or as a healthy snack any time of day. They're also super kid-friendly, so everyone in the family can enjoy them. There you have it, delicious, healthy biscuits without flour or sugar. Easy, right? Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching and happy baking.